Quick quiz. You delete a running Kubernetes pod. 10 seconds later it's back, with a new name. What's happening? You have 3 pods running. You delete one. 10 seconds later there are still 3 pods, but one has a new name. Why? A. kubectl delete is async, the pod is queued but not gone yet. B. The deployment sees only 2 pods and immediately creates a replacement to reach replicas 3. C. Kubernetes keeps deleted pods in reserve and recycles them. D. A health check failed and the pod restarted with a new name. Drop your answer in the comments. The answer is B. Here's why. The deployment has replicas set to 3, that's the desired state you declared. Kubernetes constantly watches the actual state of the cluster and compares it to the desired state. The moment you delete the pod, the actual count drops to 2. The deployment controller notices the gap immediately, I need 3, I have 2, and schedules a new pod to close it. The whole cycle typically takes 5 to 15 seconds. This is the core idea behind Kubernetes. You declare what you want, and the system fights to maintain it. A pod you delete under a deployment isn't gone for long. To actually stop the pods, you need to change the desired state, scale to 0, or delete the deployment itself. The fix: change the desired state, not individual pods. Scale to 0 if you want the pod stopped but the deployment preserved. Delete the deployment if you want everything gone. Deleting a pod by name under a deployment only triggers the controller to create a fresh replacement. You're in a loop until the desired replica count changes.